In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the Pro features in Calendly. If you're ready to elevate your scheduling experience with the enhanced tools that Calendly Pro offers, you've come to the right place. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and ease so you can make the most of your subscription. First things first, you'll need to open Calendly on your preferred device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once you're logged in and ready, direct your attention to your profile. You'll find it at the top corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile is your first step toward upgrading your experience. Just under your name, you'll notice an option that says Upgrade. This is exactly what we're looking for. Clicking on it will present you with a variety of subscription plans. As you evaluate the options before you, it's important to take your time. Each plan comes with its own set of features and benefits tailored to different needs. So thoroughly assess what each plan offers to ensure it aligns with your requirements. It's always a good idea to strike a balance between features you need now and what you might benefit from in the future. Now, there's another consideration here: how you'd like to be billed. You have the flexibility to choose between being billed yearly or monthly. Take a moment to reflect on this. Annual billing often comes with a discount, making it a cost-effective choice if you're committed to using Calendly for the long haul. Once you've carefully evaluated and selected your preferred plan and billing cycle, you can proceed to click Select. At this point, you are taken to the subscription's standard plan section. One handy feature is that you can add more seats to your subscription if you anticipate needing more access for your team. Now, assuming you've chosen yearly billing or want to ensure that's still your preference, double-check this under the Choose Billing Cycle section to verify it's set to yearly. Next, you'll be taken to the Payment Billing Information page. Here you have two straightforward options: using a credit card or opting for PayPal. Choose the payment method that best suits you and fill out the necessary payment details with care. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the choices you've made, the final step is to click Purchase. By doing so, you'll unlock a world of pro features that are designed to streamline your scheduling tasks and offer your clients a seamless experience. And there you have it, a straightforward path to activating Calendly Pro features, ensuring you're armed with all the tools necessary to optimize your scheduling process. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.